like you about to pimp a bitch for real. You like an old guy fuck the bitch in the van for $36.
This bitch gonna knock the fuck out.
Hell no, y'all fooling.
We the 70s version.
Hey, look at this nigga hand
right
there.
Too.
You see this nigga hand like
that's on Facebook, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Hell no, y'all fooling.
Yeah, Florence.
Y'all hear something?
We have full fast conversations while you hear
Here, Teresa.
Oh, I seen them too. Oh yeah, the one.